Hello and welcome to Tony's Music. My name's Tony and I really do appreciate you joining me on my channel. Please hit the like and the subscribe buttons and hit the notification bell for future reference of new videos I'll be posting every Friday. Firstly, I'd like to say a big hello to Sherry, who helped me with a problem I had from Vinny SX support. She helped me with a problem I had with one of my receipts. I hadn't got the name of the app I actually purchased, so I wanted the name of that one for copyright reasons. So she helped me with that a lot, so I really do appreciate that. Thank you, Sherry. As well as that, please check out my group on Facebook, which is Design. There are over 16,000 assets on there for free, and they're free for commercial use. As well as that, please check out Soul Bot Design Academy, which is run by Wayne Liza, who's a friend of mine from Facebook, who actually does a lot of tutorials on advanced techniques in Juggling. So if you've got Juggling, it's well worth joining that group. Alright, so it's free anyway, so if you want to do it, please do so. As well as that, I hope you enjoy the video coming up. Have a great day, stay safe, and thank you for watching my channel. Hello, this is Tony at Tony's Music, and today I'm going to start a tutorial on juggling. And for starters, I'm going to show you the kind of things that you should use for juggling with. You've got the juggling balls, there's usually 3 in a pack and about £1.50. You can use them, but I wouldn't recommend them for beginners because they do bounce out your hand more than other things, right? So you can use these if you want to, but I don't recommend them for beginners, right? And they're pretty cheap, these are. So you can get them from either a supermarket or a toy shop. You can get bean bags. I recommend the pyramid bean bags because they're much better than the flat ones. You need a bigger hand to do juggling with the flat bean bags. These pyramid bean bags are pretty good for catching and that with. They're really good and they don't bounce out your hand so much, so they're really good. So I recommend the pyramid ones, which you can get from eBay and places like that, eBay, Amazon, you know, anywhere like that. And roughly around £3 to £5 per pack of 3, they're normal. Right. As well as that, you can get the rings. I don't know how much them are. I haven't bought any rings. You can get the handkerchiefs, which you can get handkerchiefs from basically most places like Debenhams or somewhere like that, you know, or any of the clothes shops where they do have handkerchiefs, you know, you can get them from there. So the handkerchiefs are better for people who've got slow hands because obviously they float in the air a bit, so it'll be easier for them to catch that way. But these are the best for beginners, really, I reckon. The pyramid ones, that's where I started on, and they'll be really good. As well as that, you can buy the clubs, but you know, they're not really for more advanced users of the art of juggling. So I wouldn't recommend them for beginners at all. Okay. Then once you've started by getting the equipment you want, next thing you need to do is hold it in your hand, get used to the feel of it, put it in your hand and get a good feel of it with that hand. And then the next thing is to hold it out in front of you and then throw it up to about eye level, around eye level like that, and get used to doing that, right? And then use your hand and try the same with that one. Obviously with one hand you might be weaker than the other hand, so you know, you need to try and do it with both so you get used to the feel of it, right? Then you can move on to the next piece, which will be what you'll be able to use with 2, which is from your weakest hand to your strongest hand, you just flip it off like that. You use your thumb to flip off the item onto your other hand like that, just stroking it along like that. Alright, you can do it the other way. If you're left-handed, you do it from the right hand to your left. Right, so if you get used to that, next week we'll be doing the 2, and then we'll be going on to free eventually. So, but that's what you need to do. Get used to that. Right, get used to that. Because that'll be the easiest method to teach you how to do juggling, and hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial so far, and by next week you'll be getting ready for doing juggling with two. Okay, thank you for watching anyway. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and have a great day.